funny as well. And, just as a personal experience, I can't put any other data behind it. I have flown a couple of times in the last few months, and I do see the numbers going up. But, part of that, there's also less planes in the air as well.
Yeah, the other thing that's interesting is that even though people seem to be loosening their quarantines, it seems like the stats are starting to go up again in terms of like outbreaks and things like that. So, I mean, I guess a lot of it depends on what happens with that too, especially coming into the flu season.
Yeah, I think so. We've kind of it's really been all over the map. We've had quarantines and states and governments and governors really tightening the the requirements, and the Big Ten just here locally shut down the fall season. Well, now they've reopened, and so it's kind of been all over the map. So I think some of the the testing is up, and maybe some of the COVID numbers are up, but fortunately, I think at least when I've looked at the CDC, that the death rates are not increasing at the same pace.
And it's an election year. I mean, we have an election coming up in a few weeks here too. So how is that going to impact everything?
Yeah, it's really interesting. I mean, typically it does have a tendency to kind of put things on hold, and I think for everyone's sake, the best thing to happen there is just get the election, get through it, and then kind of start moving on into the